Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set a 150 flat discount available to everyone with automatic discount code in your Shopify store. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discount app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. Then enter a discount title named as Flat 150 Off. Then select Automatic Discount and then click on Fixed Value. And then you can enter the discount value 150 and select Discount Applies to all products. And you can also enter any discount message, for example, Flat Discount 150 is available right now. Then you can enter your minimum purchase requirements. Here I am selecting no minimum purchase requirements. And you can also select the customer eligibility for all the customers. And you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. And you can also limit to 1 use per customer. And if you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, then you can select it from here. And if you want to combine this product discount with any other discount, then you can also select it from here. So now save your changes. So now go to the discount section. So here you can see that automatic discount is activated. Now we will test this setup on our online store. So go to the catalog. Now I will add any product to the cart and I will try to check out. Let's enter the test address. So here you can see the automatic discount of 150 is applied. So total savings is 150. It will be available to everyone. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to set a 150 flat discount for all the customers with automatic discount code. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.